Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can close your user account in the Framer website designer. So let's dive into this. So what you want to do here on Framer is click into your workspace menu in the top left and choose Settings. Next, navigate to Account. Here at the top, switch to Profile on the left hand side. And here at the bottom, you will see this option, Delete Account. Click into it. And here guys, before you unlock this delete button to confirm the deletion request, Framer will ask you to confirm your request by entering your associated email address. So guys, you need to type it in here. If you don't know it, you can click into cancel here and you will see the associated email address here. So you will need to enter it here, and after that your deletion request will be reviewed by Framer, and if accepted, they will remove all parts of your account, including all website projects, of course, the entire account data, themes, and that's it guys. So I'm going to click cancel here because I would like to keep my account. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.